Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and today I am here in Behala Manton Roadside Nursery. This is the beautiful nursery. Everything you want, you can get for the nursery. Any kind of gardening product you want, you can get here. I am giving you the description also. Now, just see what are the plants here. These are Kalancho, some ficus plants, different types of ficus plants, some Aglaonema, Chinese Aglaonema, Dieffenbachia, or Syngonium, different varieties of Syngonium you can see. 4 to 5 color variations of Syngonium you can see here. Arelia, beautiful, and Alocasia, some of the Caladium also. A few varieties of Caladiums you can see. Nice foliage of Caladiums. These are mostly indoor plants. Here these are red Aglaonema, and in red Aglaonema you can get 3 to 4 color variations. You can in red Aglaonema also. Crotons are there, lots of varieties of crotons, and different types of if you want you can snake plants also. These are the some caladium. You can see caladium looks also very nice. If you see the caladium foliage pattern, right, radiant colors of foliage. Some Arelia species and some of this philodendron, or some different types of monstera. This is the broken heart monstera, and this is an in fashion broken heart monstera. If you grow indoors, you can grow very nice. This is the dwarfs type of croton plants, and in croton you can get 100 types of foliage patterns, foliage colors, and striking colors of foliage. Here you can get some of the Chinese plants. And ixora, if you want, these are some dwarf variety of ixora, around 6 to 8 inch tall, and you can get different color portions of ixora also. So ixora you can grow. These are the varieties of ixora. Some of this Song of India plant, and some of the lavender also available here. Some of these succulent plants and Haworthia, and different types of succulents you can get here. And these are the especially around 100 to 150 you can get these kinds of plants. This is a very dwarf variety of Arelia. This is the bicolor Arelia. Some of these bromeliads also. These are imported plant, bromeliads. If you want bromeliad, these are now in fashion, bromeliads. And some of this money plant here, pothos. Pothos 4 to 5 color striations you can see in pothos also. Some snake plants, Arelia, green Arelia, some of this foliage color Arelia, some of the different types of lavender you can get here. And this looks very nice if you grow them indoors. Some cactus also. Many people like cactus, so they can grow cactus or succulent. They need very less care of cactus, so many people like to grow cactus. And some air purifying plants also. Lots of varieties of air purifying plants are available here you can get. And some of these hanging baskets also. So if you want some hanging baskets, you can collect some hanging baskets. Song of India, this is also Dracaena variety. And some of this lavender, and some of this Janadu variety. And Portulaca afra, that is jade plant, a small jade plant. And some of this you can see snake plant, dwarf snake plant, bird's nest snake plant. These are, and some of this cactus also. So these are the some you can see on screen. These are some hanging baskets, beautiful hanging baskets, dollar plants, or some 9 o'clock, or some you can see money plants, some of the turtle vine, and different types of around 100 rupees you can get this hanging baskets. If you grow once, you can get for a year after a year you can save these plants. So these are the some plants kinds, and every kinds of pots are also available. All kinds of plastic pots, ceramic pots, some metallic pots, or pottery, some of this earthen pots. Every kinds of pots are available. Now I show you the address, Behala Sukuman Nursery, and a screen you can see some of the mobile numbers also. Seeds also available. Beautiful some these are terracotta pots, and every kind of fertilizer also available here. And some bulbs are also if you want. And these are some coir stick and glass pot, some of this earthen pots. Every kind of thing you can get, but only thing is the problem, you cannot get this online. They sell only offline. You have to visit here physically, and then you have to buy the plants. And if you want, There are lots of 4 to 5 nurseries are here on the roadside. You can bargain here properly, and you can buy plants. Mostly they ask many times, they ask higher prices also, so you have to bargain properly, and you have to check the price in 3 to 4 nurseries, then you can buy ceramic pots. Beautiful ceramic pots, you can see beautiful options of ceramic pots, or some plastic pots are also available. You can buy musanda, red variety musanda, very nice. Some of the lemongrass you also can. These are the plants of this Behala Menton nursery. If you visit this, you will be very happy to see the plants. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice.